Okay. Hi, we're Gregory and LaMonica Jordan. We're pastors of Victorious Faith Worship Center in Huntsville, Alabama. And we've had the pleasure of going through this seminar this evening, and I must say it's been very informative, very enlightening. We've been married for 26 years this year, but having insight and purpose in what your marriage is entailing, what God has entailed for your marriage, is you can never have enough information. I'm so thankful that we came here this evening. I truly speak nothing but blessings upon this ministry and what these guys are doing to give, especially our younger people, insight. The foundation of family and marriage has been lost to this younger generation, and it's important to get that back. We need that back in order for families to continue to grow in God. So we thank you for bringing this to us to help us go out and plant more seeds. Amen. Amen.